Softly in the dusk, a woman is singing to me, taking me back down the vista of years, till I see a child sitting under the piano in the boom of tingling strings and pressing the small poised feet of a mother who smiles as she sings. In spite of myself, the insidious mastery of song betrays me back until the heart of me weeps to belong to the old Sunday evenings at home, with winter outside and hymns in the cosy parlour, the tinkling piano, our kind. So now it is vain for the singer to burst into clamour with the great black piano. Appassionato, the glamour of childish days is upon me. My manhood is cast down in the flood of remembrance. I weep like a child for